Directional microphone for decades has been the biggest improvement we get from hearing speech in noisy, complex situations. But the most significant or the biggest improvement has been ForwardFocus, which is available on the Nucleus 7 and the Kanso 2 devices. ForwardFocus works by simultaneously listening to what's behind the person versus what's in front, and making the assumption that what you want to listen to is in front of you. And it diminishes the volume of what it detects as coming from behind you. Most recipients rely on their clinician to give them advice. They, without a doubt, are looking for improved hearing in noisy conditions. Yes, they're interested in being able to stream directly to a smart device. Yes, they're interested in having the smallest device on the market. They want off the ear as well as on the ear. They want the choice. But what they really want is to hear better in noisy environments. And that's what ForwardFocus is all about, and that's why they choose it. The benefit to the users is approximately up to 2.9 decibels benefit speech and noise. Every decibel benefit that a patient can get in speech and noise is a huge benefit. And it could mean the difference between someone coping really well in a party situation where they really enjoy themselves and can follow conversations and may end up being the last person to leave, versus not coping well at all, feeling they're struggling in that situation and going home early. I recommend ForwardFocus to essentially all my patients, and I'm dealing from teenagers and upwards, because hearing in complex situations is the most challenging situation for anyone with a hearing loss. They can cope in quiet environments, and now that they can stream phone calls from their smart app, so their smartphone to their devices, that's great. But general listening conversations, it's usually complex, noisy environments that they're faced with. They have the greatest difficulty. So we need to explain what ForwardFocus is and when to use it, and perhaps when not to. And so we do explain how it works and what situations it's best used for. Being able to hear the person talking in front of you is a huge benefit in all sorts of social situations. Anywhere where you have a complex listening environment, having the type of technology like ForwardFocus is a huge benefit. ForwardFocus is activated in custom sound programming software. So it's up to the clinician to activate it, so it enables ForwardFocus to be populated in the app. Cochlear provides tutorials both for clinicians on how to do that, and also tutorials for recipients to show them how to get the most benefit out of ForwardFocus. And personally, I would encourage clinicians to activate ForwardFocus right from switch on, and to guide the recipient on how to use it and when to use it.